Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through of another little ring bound journal that I have for sale in my Etsy shop. It is approximately 7.5 by 4.5, I believe, or 7 by 4.5. It has about 30 pages. This is the back. I added some little rusted jingle bells and a little rusted star on the ring bound. It's a ring bound journal. I'm not going to talk about every page. I've done a couple of other videos this season, and some of the ephemera and pages are the same, so I don't want to bore you, so I'm just going to flip through it. If there's something new, I will talk about it, but we'll just go through it quietly and look. This first page, there is something different. This was another little element that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it came with some glitter around the hubcaps, and I took that off. There's still some glitter on the back. I tried to get rid of it, but it's hard to get it off there. And it had a wire topper on there. It was an ornament, but I thought it was cute. I added the little small clip, and I thought it kind of just went with the front of the journal, which is, again, the Christmas tree farm, and so I liked that. There are a lot of things at Dollar Tree, and I've done another video about some of the things at Dollar Tree, and I'll link that below. Otherwise, it's basically a blank journal. A lot of the ephemera you can move around and change. The pages you can change if you don't like them or want something different. But for the most part, it's just going to be a silent flip through. This was another little element that I got from the Dollar Tree, these little stickers. No, actually, I'm sorry, this was Hobby Lobby. I found these little stickers at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was cute to put it on there on the little page where you could talk about Santa's mapping out his course. This is some ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, that's the journal. It is for sale in my Etsy shop. I would appreciate it if you left me a comment. If you have any questions, please, I look at the comments. You could leave it in the comment or you could send me a message. If you liked the video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. It helps my videos get shown. I do appreciate your time, and I want to wish everyone a happy holiday season.